Yes, start solving. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meters above a lake is 30 degrees. Angle of depression of its reflection of the cloud in the lake is 60 degrees. Find the height of the cloud. Santosh, you can't hear? Solve this question. Do you remember?
Ma'am,
Yes.
and for the height of the cloud from the lake is 60 plus h. So
Hmm.
the other side it will be
No, it is not 60 plus H. It's H only. You have to consider H only.
okay, ma'am.
Is it 120 meters?
Yes.
Is the answer 120 meters?
Yes, right.
What's the height of the tower, ma'am?
Tower. Why
Ma'am,
tower? Why tower is needed?
ma'am, they don't find the height of the tower.
Cloud question is there.
I think he's doing the previous.
Yeah, got it. Everyone got the answer of first one? Everyone got the answer of first part or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Shreya?
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay, ma'am. Disha, you got the first answer?
Ma'am?
Got the first answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the second one, I'm not able to understand.
A man standing on the deck of a ship 10 meters above the water level. So from the ground level 10 meters above, he observes the angle of elevation of top of a hill is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of the bottom of the hill as 30 degrees. Find the distance of the hill from the ship and height of the hill. This point of observation is not ground, it is above. So this is point of observation 10 meters. Then here is a hill. The angle of elevation of top of a hill is 30 degrees, 60 degrees, sorry. And depression is 30 degrees. Foot of the hill is here. So its depression is 30 degrees. Then find the distance and the total height. So this is 10. So this will be h minus 10. AB is the hill, CD is the point of observation. This is point E.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, is the height of the hill 40 meter and the distance 17.32 meter?
yes, right.
Ma'am, for the second one, is it 138.5?
No, 120 it is. Which second one? 40 meters it is.
Oh no, ma'am, like the first one, angle of elevation of the cloud. I messed up the first time calculation.
It's 120.
Ma'am, I'm kind of stuck in the first one, ma'am. Can you just help me? Then I'm getting 138.
No, it's 120. Diagram have you drawn properly?
Wait, ma'am.
This is 60. Cloud is here. Angle of elevation of the cloud is 30 degrees. And its reflection will be here. The angle of depression of the cloud is 60 degrees. This height is h. This height is equal to h. This is 60.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you. Understood. Yes, ma'am. I got it right.
What's the third answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am, for the third one. Ma'am,
Yes.
I finished the third one.
The angle of elevation of aeroplane from a point A on the ground is 60 degree. After a flight of 30 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. If the plane is flying at a constant height of 3600 root 3 meter, find the speed in kilometer per hour of the plane.
Ma'am, is it 864 kilometers per hour?
854 kilometer per hour. Yes, right. So from a one point of observation, the angle of elevation of this plane is 60 degree after a flight of 30 seconds. So this distance is covered in 30 seconds. The angle of elevation changes to 30 degrees. Find the speed of, and this is height of the plane is 3600 root 3 meters above the ground. So this is also the same distance. Point of observation is A, this is B, C, this is D, and E. This is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. So BE is equal to CD is equal to 3600 root 3. So now BC distance is X, ED distance we will consider as X. We have to calculate X for speed. B to C distance covered is X meters distance and the time is 30 seconds. So if we get X meters, then we can find out the speed of it. So we have to calculate the BC distance. For that, ABE triangle, tan 60 is equal to B by A. BE is 3600 root 3 by AE is equal to tan 60 value is root 3. So this root 3 get cancelled. So AE is 3600 meters. So this value is 3600. Now DE distance. We have to calculate for that triangle ACD. Tan 30 is equal to CD by AD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to CD is 3600 root 3 divided by AD is 3600 plus X. So this is 3600 plus X is equal to 3600 into 3. So X is equal to 3600 into 3 minus 3600. So that is 3600 into 2, which is equal to 7200 meters is the X distance. Now you have to calculate the speed. Distance you got, time you have 30 seconds. Speed is equal to distance by time. That is equal to 7200 divided by time is 30. So it is equal to 240 meter per second. Now convert into kilometer per hour. That is equal to 18 by 5. 48 into 18. 864 kilometer per hour. Clear? Try first. Fifth one.
Ma'am, is it 40 meter per second?
No.
Ma'am, is it 29.28 meters per second?
Yes, right.
When the point of observation remains the same, right?
Yes. Bird is sitting on the top of a tree which is 80 meter high. The angle of elevation of the bird from a point on the ground is 45 degree. Bird flies away from the point of observation horizontally and remain at a constant height. Same thing, exactly same as that aeroplane question.
Is it 40 root 3 minus 1 meter per second?
40 root 3 minus 1. I don't know the answer. 29.28 is the answer.
Let me.
Check out 40 into 0.237. 732.
I'm 29.280 meter
Yes,
per second.
yes, right.
Ma'am, I didn't get the answer.
Ma'am, is the answer like 70 meter per second for the fifth one?
Which one?
Fifth one.
No, fifth one is wrong.
I'm like, even I didn't get the answer.
Sixth one is the answer 6 meters.
6 meter is right answer. Sixth one. Shubha, the fifth one is exactly same as the aeroplane question. What I've solved aeroplane question, the same fifth is exactly same.
Ma'am, once
But
again,
the total distance is 83 meters.
Which one?
yes, ma'am, even me.
Ma'am, for the fifth one. That's right.
And for the sixth one, if you take the angle just theta and 90 minus theta, right?
Yes, you repeat that.
Ma'am, once again, I think I made a mistake, ma'am, once again.
Angle of elevation changes to, first initially it is 45. Now after that it will change to 30 degrees. This is 80 meter height. 2 seconds. This is same. A, B, C, D, E. So this is tan 45. So this height is 80. So AE will also come 80. Then tan 30 is equal to 80 divided by 80 plus x. 1 by root 3 is equal to 80 by 80 plus x. 80 plus x is equal to 80 root 3. So x is equal to 80 into root 3 minus 1. Then the speed is divided by 2. That is 40 into root 3 minus 1. Where you done mistake?
Ma'am, I took the full distance from A to D. That's
Yes,
why.
no, I took like complete 80 to 3 thing.
It's one done. What happened? You got the answer? 6-1, everyone got? Seventh one?
Ma'am, is the seventh 100 by root 3?
100 by root 3. By root 3, no. Mm,
Ma'am, is it 100 minus 20 root 3 by root 3?
100
Yes, ma'am,
minus
I forgot to.
20 root 3 by root 3.
20 root 3.
100 minus 20 root 3 by whole by root 3.
Simplify that and then tell me.
Ma'am, do you substitute the value of root 3 for this?
No, that's not needed.
Then
Till that part first tell me, and then I will tell you whether to substitute or not.
ma'am, it's 100 root 3 minus 60 by 3.
60 by 3. That is 20, no? I don't think so.
Yes, ma'am.
A boy standing on the horizontal plane finds a bird flying at a distance of 100 meters from him. From him, it is 100 meters, not the vertical height. This is a boy standing. From him, the bird is flying. So at this position, this is 100 meters at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. A girl is standing on the roof of 20-meter high building. Find the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degrees. Both the boy and girl are on the opposite sides of the bird. So this is a bird opposite side. So girl is here at a height of 20 meter. Angle of elevation for the same bird, for the girl, it is 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. This is 20-meter high. Find the distance of the bird from the girl. So this distance you have to calculate. So this x you have to calculate. This is bird is A, boy is at B distance. So this is C, D, E, and F. You have to calculate AE distance. So in this case, first find out AC distance. For that, tan 30 is equal to, so not tan we cannot take it because we have the hypotenuse value. So sine 30 is equal to AC by AB, which is 1 by 2 is equal to AC by AB is 100. So AC is equal to 50 meters. So full AC is 50. Out of that, FC is 20 meter. So what is AF?
30.
30 meters. Then in this triangle, use sine value to get the value of x.
Ma'am, I got it at 51.96.
Before that decimal answer, what you got?
Which one, ma'am? Like the hypotenuse, I got it as 51.96. Okay.
Oh, the decimal. So that decimal value you have calculated by some calculation.
Oh, ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, I've got it wrong a bit.
30 root 2.
Ma'am, is it 42.42?
Yeah, 30 root 2. These all questions today you are doing, these are all 4 markers. And continuously every paper these questions are asked. So these questions you have to remember. All the questions whatever you are today you are solving, these are all hot questions. These are always asked questions in every exam for 4 markers. Santosh, what happened? I given next question.
Ma'am, I could see it now only.
What?
Ma'am, I could see the question now only.
No, I've given.
Ma'am, is the answer 200 by root 3?
By root 3. What's the answer? 200 by root 3, the decimal answer? What
Ma'am,
happened?
115.47.
100?
15.47.
Yes, right.
Yes, ma'am. 115.47.
Yes, right. Manika, how many questions completed?
Ma'am, I'm doing the 8th one.
Do faster.
Ma'am,
Distance 20 meters.
20 meters and the distance to 23 meters.
Distance is 20 meters and
And distance is 20
Distance in height is 20 meters and the distance is 23 meters.
20 root 3. That is, it is 34.64, right? Lisha, which one you are solving?
This is 73.2 meters.
I'm just starting with the 9th one now. Ma'am, I'm just starting with the 9th one now.
Okay. Do faster.
Ma'am, is it 73.2 meters?
Which one?
This one, ma'am. This one, 8th one.
No.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, once again, are you sharing the screen, ma'am? Because screen is coming very blank. I mean, very blur.
Log in again.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now it's coming properly.
Ma'am, is the answer 7.32 kilometers?
Which station would send its team to start the work? Which station it is?
Q.
Here, this is?
Ma'am, 7.32 kilometers.
Yes, right. Completed. 10 questions done.
Ma'am, is at 7.322 kilometer.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, could you solve the 10th one?
A fire from, 10th one, 9th one.
10th one.
A fire in a building B is reported on telephone in two fire stations P and Q, 20 km apart from each other on the straight road. P observes the fire is at an angle of 60 degrees to the road and Q observes at an angle of 45 degrees to the road. Which station would send its team to start the work at the earliest, and how much distance will this team has to travel? So they cannot be on one side, otherwise they wouldn't have asked the question who will reach earlier. So whichever closer, it will reach. So they are not on the same side, they will be on the opposite side. So it is the building B here, opposite side, two stations are there, one is P, another one is Q. From P, the fire is observed at an angle of 60 degrees and from Q at an angle of 45 degrees. The distance between PQ is 20 km. Then here, this distance you have to calculate. Consider this as x1, it will become 20 minus x. This is x, this is B, this is A. So AP distance is x, then AQ is equal to 20 minus x, right? Now we have to calculate the value of x. So now here tan 45 is equal to AB by AQ. 1 is equal to AB by 20 minus x. So this is 20 minus x you will get. So AB is equal to 20 minus x. Now use this triangle. Tan 60 is equal to 20 minus x by x. So tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 20 minus x by x. So x root 3 is equal to 20 minus x. X root 3 plus x is equal to 20. So x into bracket root 3 plus 1 is equal to 20. X is equal to 20 by root 3 plus 1. Multiply with root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. So 20 into root 3 minus 1 by 2. So this is 10. So 10 into 0.732. So that is equal to 7.32 meter is the x. And 20 minus x is equal to 20 minus 732. So this is equal to 462, 12.64 meters. So x is 7.32. So P will reach first because it has to cover a lesser distance, that is 7.32, and Q has to cover 12.64. Therefore, P will reach early within 7.32 kilometers. He has to find out. It has to cover a distance of 7.32. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then we will start science now. Some questions I will send you. The remaining questions of this worksheet I will send you. Complete those at home. And send me immediately after completing, before the next class. Everyone. Now no excuses.
Ma'am, how many are there?
1 second. This one is 42. 8 are there.
Okay, ma'am.
9 questions.